must reverse. She
Yeah.
must be crazy.
Yeah.
There is no way we can reverse.
She cannot reverse.
She don't know
She
how to.
try it again.
Oh my
Shit.
gosh. What happening to the car?
I think the petrol.
You ran out of petrol?
I think, I don't know, Nick.
Here's the chateau that we pick up the things from. It's really big. So they redo the chateau.
Because they were not okay, yeah.
They're growing wine here. So we're thinking about doing in the chateau, growing wine in front. This is our buildings of the chateau. It's beautiful. Look at that. All sold. Wow. Look at this one. This table, beautiful. Sold too. We didn't bid for this one. Look at the carving. Wow. That bed didn't get sale. Maybe we should ask them for it, but we don't have space for it in the car. It's huge, probably 2 meter or something bed. This, wow. This is the lot that we won. There. Some damage when you take down, I think. Oh, this has been made to fit like that. Not straight. Some are straight, some are 45 angle. This is some damage. We need to fix when they take it out. But we have this molding, so we can use that as a guideline.
I think we do have to do one by one, help each other, because it's too heavy for the box.
And you forgot everything.
Put the foam inside of the box.
Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. I don't think this box even gonna be able to hold.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
Et après, c'est les cantonnières.
Ok, d'accord. Oui.
Voilà, voiture.
Merci.
Vous avez chaque temps demandé déjà une bidon avec gasoil?
Vous nous avez demandé,
Ok.
mais non.
I was thinking about bid for that one too. Oh, look at this one. The fireplace. Amazing. We are here today to pick up the lot that we won in Grasse. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bonjour. Okay, this is a space. We need to prepare all this box. Okay, Johan, prepare this. Everything ready for.
Okay.
Okay, we can stop now.
Yeah.
I'm going in here. Look at the lot.
Let's see here.
That's so beautiful. Wow. Can we hang it, right, Anta?
Yeah. Put down.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
Is it heavy?
Yep, it's heavy. Very heavy. Very heavy.
Wow, it's beautiful. I got this quite cheap.
Very heavy.
How much I pay? 200 something.
I look at the border later.
Okay. Wow. It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's heavy.
Very heavy. Very heavy.
It's the heaviest lamb. Johan,
Yes?
what are we doing here in Marseille?
We're picking up fish.
Oh, it's,
No, we're picking up some
oh
ocean
wow,
fire.
look at the mirror. Oh, it's broken. It's many damage. It's beautiful shape. It's round. Wow, I never seen mirror like this. Is that our?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
366.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is the first ones, the first there.
How much is it? 80 euro we pay.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look. This is water paint.
189. This is the last lot.
Yeah, last lot.
One,
Three.
118. No.
It's
Oh,
3
681.
pieces.
Yeah. Mirror there. Okay.
It's
good.
nice in pastel. It will be nice in room that is a light room.
Yeah.
That is so hard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like the lot from here. Each one is different. See there, different fish. It's the same yellow the one we have at home,
Yeah.
so we can use together. Is that also our painting?
Yes. It's these ones.
Oh, amazing.
This one, attention, il y a a little of water inside.
Okay.
Merci. It's too rich. It's all here now.
Yeah, there is mating.
I like small
The
painting. This
Girondel.
Johan, it's not called John Dale.
Girondel.
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 Perfect. I'll clean that.
Beautiful. I
Clean that.
love.
It will be perfect. Perfect.
This has been standing outside. Need some work on. It looks so good.
Yeah, I painted the same green as the
And
the
it
railing.
just need attachment or just lay on top. Yeah, this just lay on top. No attachment. That's perfect.
Careful behind you.
Yeah. Oh Petite. Wow. What's this?
It's
No,
attached.
you cannot take off.
Yeah, it's clamped on here.
Yeah, they cramp it.
There. Interlocked into place. And there's nothing else that is...
They all cramp it, see, to make it like
Yeah.
not to come off. It's good. I think you need to rewire, darling. Merci, monsieur.
Suppose you have all.
yes, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
6, 7.
3. Yeah, the 7 is the... yeah, it's out of 7.
Okay.
Yes.
Merci.
Thank you.
Oh, this mirror have two. You see that mirror?
Yeah.
The one that is broken. And there.
Yeah.
The one there. The one here. Wow. It's a matching. Oh, you can have microphone on.
This is what happened that day. It's rather embarrassing. I told Lic the petrol should last us until we finished with the first pickup, but I forgot to check the landscaping of the area. It was very hilly since the petrol was so little left in the tank. The car stalled when it was uphill. However, I managed to park the car right outside the Chateau gate and blocked anyone to go in and out. And this is how we got help from one of the workers who wanted to leave and drive home. In order for him to leave, he has to give us some petrol, and that's how we make it to the gas station and continue our trip. We hope you enjoyed the little adventure. Until next time, bye for now.